We're going to be doing a rear differential service on a 2020 BMW M340i. Okay, so we're here in the rear differential. So we have our fill plug, which is this top one right here. And then we have the drain plug, which is the sensor. We have to remove the sensor. So to remove this connector, I grab a flathead screwdriver, push it on the back, and then you pull out, like so. So you just push this little clip right here, and then you pull out. So let's put that out of the way. And then the sensor, the size, it's gonna be a 17 millimeter. Let's go ahead and remove that. There we go. We could twist it, and fluid should start coming out. Okay, let's put this on the side. Draining, gonna go ahead and remove the fill plug. So for this one, it's an Allen. It's gonna be a 14H. Okay. Let's remove that. There we go. So this one has a little seal right here. I want to make sure if it's good. Because this is the little pump I'm going to be using to refill it. So what I like to do is I like to spray a little bit first. And then it should come out. See all that little black stuff that's coming out? Try to get most possible fluid out as possible. Okay, just let that drain for a little bit. Okay, so with the sensor, we're gonna go and replace the washer, and then we're gonna put it in, and then we're gonna torque it to specs. Okay, so with the 14 newton meters, we're gonna go ahead and torque this down. There we go. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill the fluid in. All right, so we're gonna start filling it into spills. That's when we know it's at level. Go for it. Okay, see how it's dripping? Gonna wait until it stops dripping. That's how you know it's at level. Okay, so it's starting to drip a little bit. That's how you know it's at level. So we're gonna go ahead and get our plug. We already replaced the O-ring. Make sure you guys replace it. Let's install it. Let's turn it all the way because we're gonna torque it, and then we're gonna torque it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and torque this to 44 foot-pounds. There we go. Okay, now with brake cleaner, we're gonna go ahead and clean the area. Just be careful. Make sure you wear safety glasses. Okay, let's let that dry. Okay, let's go ahead and wipe it down. Now that everything's wiped down, let's go ahead and connect the connector back. There we go, make sure it clicks. Okay, and that's how you do a rear differential service.